Alright, breaking now for DB. I got Donruss for 14-15 Donruss hoops. Alright, let's send in those live break orders. Get those going today. Move artifacts back and forth. If that gets starts getting filled up, we'll break that. Rookie out of 199, Aaron Gordon. Curry and Kevin Durant scoring king. Klay Thompson, court kings. DeMar DeRozan. Courtney Lee out of 199. Joakim Noah and Adrian Payne rookie card. Keep sending those live break orders, everybody. Gerald Henderson out of 99, 83 and 99, Gerald Henderson. Kobe and Eric Green. Heinrich. DeRozan and Gary Payton. Production line Steph Curry. Howard and Steph Curry court kings. A lot of Steph Curry next week in auto or jersey out of there. Out of 99, Dame Lillard. Decoy DeAndre Rodney Hood, rookie card. Rajon Rondo out of 199. Ty Lawson, James Ennis rookie. Devin Harris. LaMarcus Aldridge, Glenn Rice. For the Cavs, 4/10, Kyrie Irving. 4/10, Kyrie Irving. Pekovic and Parker. Yeah. Gobert, yeah, not too bad right there. TJ Warren on a 99 auto. Remember we opened this in the break and I was like, oh, we should get some autos in here, and we didn't get anything. I was like, it says like there's usually some autos in these boxes. Alfred Payton, a rookie card. Cool rookie card right there. Oshik and Russ Smith. Drummond and Melo. Keep placing those orders for live break, everybody. Chalmers out of 9 out of 357, 99 out of 357. Mitch McGarry, rookie. Out of 999, Melo. Corver and Noah Vonleh. Ben McLemore out of 999. Hibbert, Noah Vonleh, rookie. Andre Drummond, production line card. Ellis, Jordan Clarkson. Vucevic, Lance Stevenson, James Young rookie. Last pack right here, see if we get any hits. Rookie Kyle Anderson out of 99. Tyreek Evans, rookie PJ Harrison. There we are. We get that packed up and shipped out with your other box. Good luck. Thanks for playing in our game. See, you got some